Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making a very healthy and delicious recipe of Paneer Kathi roll. You can even call it veg paneer roll or paneer wraps. My family simply love these Kathi rolls and it even beats the street side ones. So let's quickly see how to make this very tasty, very delicious Paneer Kathi rolls today. Also friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. In order to make our paranthas, firstly we'll need dough. So for making dough, we'll take 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta. You can even take 1 cup of refined flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. But to make our rolls more healthy, I'm making whole wheat or atta paranthas. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, and here I am adding half a teaspoon of grounded flax seeds powder. I generally add flax seeds to all my flours or dough which we prepare. And into this goes 1 to 2 teaspoons of Desi Ghee. Ghee will ensure that paranthas or roti will come out soft. Now we'll gradually add little water and we'll need a soft dough. Now we'll allow the dough to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So friends, after resting the dough, we'll just knead it for few more seconds so that it's absolutely soft, and you can see the texture of the dough will change after resting. Now we'll just take little dry flour or atta and we need to roll it. Now after flattening the dough, we'll spread Desi Ghee on top of it because we want to make laccha parantha, and we'll sprinkle little dry flour. After that, we'll fan fold it. So in this manner, we'll just fold the chapati, sprinkle little more flour, and now we'll just roll it like this. And now we'll roll it one more time. The rolls which we get on street, those are made with refined flour or maida. So at home we can try out this healthier option for our kids and family. And this is our parantha ready. So likewise we'll roll another parantha. So friends, we have rolled out both our paranthas. Now let's cook it. We need to cook our parantha on medium to high flame. Do not cook parantha on low flame, otherwise it will turn very hard. We'll drizzle more oil on top of it, and now we'll invert it. We need to cook the parantha by pressing it like this so that it becomes crispy, flaky. So friends, our parantha is crispy enough. Likewise, we'll cook the other parantha. Friends, here is our second parantha also ready. Now we'll allow these paranthas to cool down completely, and meanwhile we'll prepare our stuffing. Now we need to prepare marinade for our paneer. So for this we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil. This is mustard oil. Into this we'll add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. We'll mix it well. This will give a very nice bright red color to our paneer. After that we'll add half a cup of curd. Into this we'll add half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, chopped ginger. You can even add garlic. This is half a teaspoon of Chaat Masala, and we'll squeeze in lemon juice. Lemon juice will give very nice flavor to paneer. And we'll combine everything nicely. One needs to ensure that there are no lumps of curd. So you can use a whisk like this, or simply mix it well using a spoon or a fork. And now it's time to coat our paneer in this marinade. So I have 250 grams of paneer with me. We need to coat the paneer with this marinade nicely. Each and every piece needs to coat well. Now we'll keep this marinated paneer for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Friends, we'll heat another pan and we'll just pour in 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, we'll take our marinated paneer and we need to cook it. We need to cook the paneer for 2 to 3 minutes. It will give a very nice flavor and texture. Ensure that you cook paneer on high flame. Though the paneer does not need to cook for more time, but still with this marinade we'll cook it for few minutes. So one needs to toss paneer like this. So all the flavors get infused in paneer. And now into the paneer we'll add few veggies. So here I have shredded cabbage. Next I will add a few sliced onions. There goes sliced carrots along with sliced capsicum and few tomatoes. Into this goes 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, salt as per taste, and goes 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Now we'll saute all the veggies along with paneer. You can add any veggies of your choice. We do not want to overcook this stuffing. We want all veggies to be crunchy enough. So we'll just cook it for 1 to 2 more minutes. Additionally, I will also add little more Kashmiri red chili powder for the added color. And that's about it. Our stuffing is ready. We'll turn off the flame and we'll allow the stuffing to cool down a bit. So friends, our laccha paratha is ready. You can see the flakes. It's so soft, yet it's very flaky and crispy too. So we'll firstly spread mayonnaise and little tomato ketchup at the base. This is completely optional, but kids generally love to have mayonnaise. So here I am using this carrot cucumber mayonnaise. Similarly goes the other one. Now we'll place our stuffing, the paneer vegetable stuffing which we have prepared. And we'll top it up with few sliced onions. This will make our rolls even more crisper and tastier. And then we'll sprinkle chaat masala on top. And finally squeeze in lemon juice. There it goes. And our wrap is ready to serve. We'll gently roll it. And friends, here is our vegetable paneer roll ready to serve. Very tasty, very yummy, very flavorful. You will truly enjoy it. So friends, do try out this recipe. I'm sure you'll really love these rolls. So let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.